Morning, children. How are you? Today I am going to start the chapter Beyond the Earth. You have already watched the video about it and you have drawn the solar system also. So today I am going to introduce this chapter and explain everything about it. Children, do you know where do you live? You live on the Earth, and the Earth is one of the 8 planets of the solar system. But do you know what is space? The vast area just beyond the Earth atmosphere is called the space. Space is very large, very vast area. And what is the universe? Universe is which includes the space, the sun, the solar system, the stars, all the planets and all the heavenly bodies. Universe is larger than the space. Now we come to the solar system. In earlier classes you have already studied about the solar system. Solar means the sun, anything related to the sun. In the solar system, the sun is in the center and there are 8 planets which revolve around the sun in its particular orbit. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Along with the planets, there are satellites also which revolve around these planets. They are also a part of the solar system. Then you have comets and asteroids also. They are also the heavenly bodies in the solar system. So the solar system is the sun, the 8 planets, their satellites, the asteroids and the comets. But do you know what is the sun? The sun is a star. It has its own light. The sun is a round, huge ball of gases, hot gases and fire. The temperature of the sun is very, very high. The sun gives us light and heat. Now we come to the Earth. We live on the planet Earth. Earth is also called the blue planet. Why is it called so? Because when you go into the space, the color of the Earth appears blue. Because there is 3/4 water on the Earth and only 1/4 land is there on the Earth. We live on the Earth because there is air and water present on the Earth. There is no life on any of the other planets. So Earth is the planet that we live in. Now we come to the satellite. What is a satellite? Satellite is any heavenly body which revolves around any of the planets. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. The moon revolves around the Earth. It completes one rotation in almost 28 days. The moon does not have its own light. It reflects the light of the sun. And there is no air and no water on the moon. But there are large craters or large holes on the moon. And you have high mountains on the moon also. So, moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Satellites are of 2 types, natural and artificial. I have just told you that moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Natural means it is present in nature. But artificial satellites are those satellites which are man-made. They are made by man and they have been sent into the space. They revolve around the Earth and they give us various information. There are 3 types of artificial satellites: weather satellite, communication satellite and space satellite. Weather satellite gives us information about the weather. Tells us about the weather forecast. Communication satellite gives us signals about the mobile phones, then dish, then telephones, etc. And the space satellite study about the space and gives us information about the space. Now we come to the astronauts. Astronauts are the people who go into the space to study about the space and to collect information about the space. The first person to go into the space was Yuri Gagarin. He was from USSR. And the first woman was Valentina Tereshkova. The first man to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong. And from India, the first man to go into the space was Rakesh Sharma. Is it clear? Now, the one thing I left about artificial satellite is that many countries send artificial satellites into the space. Sputnik 1 was the name of the first artificial satellite launched into the space. India has also sent many satellites into the space. Their name is Aryabhat, Bhaskara, Rohini, Apple, and many other satellites are there. So, this lesson is over. Thank you, children.